Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about how we can successfully install Python and Python IDLE on our computer. So before that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, definitely do so, and also click the bell icon. Then you will be able to receive the videos that I post like this as a notification. Let's go to the video. Now I am in my screen, so open any of your favorite browser, and at the very top you just need to type Python and press enter. Here please make sure that you visit welcome to python.org. So I will click on that now. Here we need to go to download section. From here we can download the latest version. I can see Python 3.11.1 is the latest, so we can install install the latest version. I will just click on that, and very small file after download process. Sometimes okay, I will click on open file like this. Once you do that, new window will appear like this: install Python 3.11.1 64-bit and install now. And I recommend select this one and click, and it will also you to as yes, so please click on that yes. Okay, sometimes too much time. Okay, now installing Python 3.11.1. So yes, so I can set Python setup was successful. Yes, close it, and we can search bar. This is the icon, so I can see the icon here, and I hope this tutorial has helped you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.